Finished. All done and dusted. The feet are gone. And I'm on form. So on a trip to IKEA to buy a TV stand, on the spur of the moment I also bought a large wardrobe because it was cheap. Anyway, I wasn't sure that the flat pack boxes that measure 1.89 meters in length would fit into the Discovery Sport. So let's see what happened, which is a good guide to what size boxes you can fit into a Land Rover Discovery Sport.
Would you like to buy? Would you like to buy something?
Yes,
What would you like to buy?
I would like to buy something.
Sugar?
Yeah. £65 Dumbass. Dumbass or Dumbass? Yeah. It's got other door as well, Sammy. Ooh.
Big.
Yeah, it's big.
I like the brown.
Alright, we're going to see if this 1.89 meter boxes will fit my car lengthwise. Let's see if they fit in the Discovery Sport or not. Hey Sammy, will it fit my car? I don't think there's going to be any room for you as a passenger. Well, I don't think. Should we risk it?
I like it. Yeah.
Let's see if it fits in a Land Rover Discovery Sport. They're quite heavy. These boxes are heavy. Go on then. Go to the checkout. Now we're going to see if we can get this into a Land Rover Discovery Sport. You can get it in. 1.9 meters, and I should just have clearance if I move the seat forward. Let's move the seat forward. Yeah. Ignition on. I'm moving the seat forward as far as it'll go. Yeah. Tip that forward as well. Okay. That should be enough space. Sammy, you're gonna have to come and help me. Come here, Sammy. Should be enough space. Let's see if we can get it in. Move back, Annie. What are you doing? Annie, you stand there. Push it forward. Pick it up. Right, leave it. Move your hand.
My hand. Look at my hand. There you go.
Come on, you pick it here. Come in.
Yeah.
Come on. Pick it up and I'll pull it. Pick it up. Yeah. One box in. The second one is the heavier one. Let's do it sideways. Alright. Another trolley has a
Glass box.
Climb.
yeah.
The glass box.
Yeah, you put that one. So you can get a IKEA flat pack into a Land Rover Discovery Sport. This has got two 1.9 meter long packages and one smaller one. It's a wardrobe, large wardrobe and a TV stand, and there's plenty of space here at the back, and as you can see towards the front there, because it slopes upwards. In essence, you can get up to a 2 meter long package if it's not more than about 60 or 70 centimeters width. So obviously you can't move the driver's seat forward much. See what it looks like. So they've got good boot capacity. If you move the passenger seat forward. Right, we'll go off. We'll be off now. Hopefully it'll be an uneventful trip.